guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I do have a Walgreens video for you guys. I have a total of 4 transactions here. In my first transaction, I have pretty much all of the household products, the Crest and the Oral-B, and then second, third, and fourth transaction. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and hop right into the deals. Okay, you guys, so we're just going to go ahead and start with the first transaction. So let's start with the Dawn. So I went ahead and purchased 3 of the Dawn dish soaps. No coupons for those. They are just priced at Walgreens this week for 99¢. I went ahead and grabbed 3 of those because I do need to stock up on more dish soap. And then also I knew that I was going to be using registry rewards. And then I have the Oral-B toothbrush and Crest 3D white toothpaste. And the deal with this week is that when you buy 2, you will receive a $2 registry reward. They are priced at $2.99. So you will purchase both of them and your total will come up to $5.98. There is a $1 off of 1 digital coupon for the Oral-B. And then there is also a $1 off of 1 digital coupon for the Crest 3D White. So that's a total of $2 in digital coupons that I used. So $5.98 minus the $2 in digital coupons, that brought the total down to $3.98. And remember, when you buy 2, you will receive your $2 registry reward. I did receive my $2 registry reward right here. So with receiving this registry reward, it brought my total down to just $1.98 for both, or it makes each one 99¢. And then back here, I do have the Purex laundry detergent. And so that is priced this week at Walgreens for $1.99. I did submit my receipt to Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is basically the same as My Points and Swagbucks. The only thing you have to do is, if you have a qualifying offer, just submit your receipt and you should get the money credited to your account. My receipt is currently pending, but once it's done pending, that Purex will end up being completely free. And then I also went ahead and grabbed the Persil discs right here. Those are priced at Walgreens this week for $4.99. I did use a $2 off of 1 digital coupon. With using that digital coupon, it brought the total down to just $2.99. And then with the Tide liquid detergent, I went ahead and purchased 4 of those. And the deal with Tide this week is when you buy 3, you will receive the 4th one free. I didn't use any coupons on those Tide because I didn't have any, but I knew that I was going to use registry rewards. So 3 will ring up at $4.99. The 4th one will ring up free. So the total for all 4 bottles, if you aren't using any coupons or if you aren't using any registry rewards or anything, the total for all 4 bottles will be a total of $14.97, or it'll just make each one $3.74. So that is everything that I got in my first transaction. So let me go ahead and just show you guys my receipt. Oh, and also, you guys, on this transaction, I had an issue with my Persil $2 digital coupon not coming off, but I did contact customer service and they did go ahead and credit my account with that $2. And then also on this transaction, I used a total of $16 in registry rewards. So let me show you guys. So as you guys can see, 3 of my Tide liquid rung up at $4.99. The 4th one did ring up free. My Crest 3D White $2.99, Oral-B toothbrush $2.99, Purex at $1.99, Persil at $4.99, and 3 of my Dawn dish soaps at 99¢, so $2.97. I also used a $10 off of a $30 purchase, so that coupon came off. My $1 for the Oral-B, $1 for the Crest, and then as you guys can see, my $2 for the Persil did not come off. And then here are all 4 of my $4 registry rewards, totaling $16. So it brought my subtotal to $2.90. My subtotal is supposed to have been only 90¢ had my Persil $2 digital came off. But that's okay. Customer service did credit that back to my account. So I did have to pay $2.90 out of pocket. And of course, I paid that with my PayPal debit card. And then when you look down here, my opening balance was at $18.63. I redeemed $5.20 on this transaction. And with that $5, that came from the booster that I had to get 5,000 points either when you spend $20 or $25. So that's where that $5 came from, along with my $2 registry reward for the crest, my $2 that I got back from customer service with the Persil, and my $2 that I will be getting back from the Purex. So this was a really, really great transaction, you guys. I'm glad that I got to use my registry rewards towards my Tide. So I am happy with this transaction. Now, let's go ahead and move to my second transaction. Now, before I get into my second transaction, I want to say, you guys, check your stores. Check the Revlon section and see if you guys have any clearance price Revlon at your store, because they are triggering the $3 registry reward. So all 6 of these items right here were clearance price, super cheap, and the $3 registry reward printed for me on each transaction. So the first 2 items that I got is the cream siren lipstick. This is number 677. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these, and here is the barcode just in case you guys want to see. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these. Now the regular price for these are $8.79. These were on clearance for 88 cents. But not only that, you guys, the Revlon products are buy one, get one 50% off. So this one rung up at 88 cents. And then my second one right here rung up at 44 cents. So 88 cents plus 44 cents is $1.32. Then I got back this $3 registry reward, because the deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $3 registry reward. So I got back this $3 registry reward. So I paid $1.32. And I got back this $3 registry reward. That made both of these completely free, plus a $1.29 moneymaker, you guys. OMG. I was going to completely stock up as much as I could, but my store did not have that much Revlon clearance left. But I am super happy with the 6 products that I did get. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So as you can see, one rung up at 88 cents. The second one rung up half off at 44 cents. My subtotal came to $1.32. I used $1 in Walgreens cash. I paid 32 cents out of pocket, and I got back that $3 registry reward. And then in my third transaction, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these. The Shine, the number 10 chocolate luster, Revlon super lustrous lipstick. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these. And these are priced at $1. The regular price for these are $9.99, but they were on clearance for $1. So buy one, get one 50% off. This one rung up $1. This one right here rung up half off at 50 cents. So I paid $1.50 out of pocket, and I got back my $3 registry reward for the both of those, making them completely free, plus a $1.50 moneymaker. I am just over here dropping everything. So let me show you guys my receipt for that. So as you guys can see, one rung up at $1, the second one half off at 50 cents. It brought my subtotal to $1.50, and I got back that $3 registry reward, making them completely free, plus a $1.50 moneymaker. And then I also went ahead and grabbed the Color Stay Overtime. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these. And so these are regularly priced at $11.29. They were on clearance at my store for $1.19. So one rung up at $1.19, and the second one rung up half off at 59 cents. So $1.19 plus 59 is $1.78. I paid that $1.78, and I got back this $3 registry reward, making them completely free, plus a $1.22 moneymaker. So as you guys can see, one of them rung up at $1.19, the second one half off at 59 cents, subtotal at $1.78. I used $1 in Walgreens cash, paid 78 cents out of pocket, and got back my $3 registry reward. So you guys, I am super happy about all 4 of these transactions. As you guys can see, my out of pocket for each transaction was extremely low. So this was a really good Walgreens trip. Now, some of you may know that earlier in the week, the $10 off of a $30 purchase coupon was not working, but it eventually started working. And on the day that it started working, that was also the same day that the coupon was due to expire. So I had to go ahead and run to Walgreens really quick to go and do this transaction because I really wanted to use that 10 off a 30 coupon. So I am super happy with this. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys have the 10 off of 30 clip to your account. Did you guys get a chance to go to the store before that coupon expired? Let me know what you guys got, and let me know if you guys have any of the Revlon clearance at your store, and let me know how much you got. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and remember, if you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would please consider subscribing. That is going to be it, you guys, and with that being said, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.